Welcome to this session on how to perform real-time testing on desktop browsers using LambdaTest. LambdaTest real-time desktop browser testing allows you to test websites and web applications seamlessly across different operating systems, Windows and Mac OS, on various browsers, versions, and screen resolutions, all on real machines. With LambdaTest, developers, testers, and teams can validate their web applications across multiple browsers and operating systems without the need for physical machines, all from a unified, user-friendly interface. Now let's take a look at how you can perform real-time desktop browser testing on LambdaTest.
First, log into your LambdaTest dashboard or sign up if you are new. Either go to Real-Time Testing from Dashboard or go to the left sidebar and select Real-Time. In real-time there is web browser testing for both desktop and mobile. In this video, we'll see desktop only. Under the web browser testing option, click on Desktop. Here, you'll find options to configure your test environment. Now you can see here two OSs, which is Windows and Mac OS. Choose your desired OS. Each selection expands to display the available supported browser versions for testing. And each version is displayed with its release date for easy reference. Next, select the screen resolution for your test session. The Screen Resolution Options panel displays available resolutions for the selected browser version. This helps you test responsive design scenarios. At the top, you can enter the URL of the website you want to test, or you can navigate it later in the browser. Now, if you need to test a locally hosted website, you can configure the connection between your local system and LambdaTest platform via LambdaTest Tunnel using the Underpass app or via CLI. If you want to add a Chrome extension to your testing environment, select the Chrome extension option, click on Add Chrome extension and enter the URL of the extension you want. Once you've configured your test environment, click Start. Your selected device will be initialized and the browser will launch. This might take few seconds to launch. And voila! You can begin your real-time browser testing on your preferred desktop browser. Alright, on your screen, you'll see your browser launched and ready to go. From here, you can navigate to any URL you'd like to test. For this demo, let's head over to lambdatest.com. In case you find a bug and want to report it, click Mark as Bug in the top right corner. This one-click feature captures a screenshot, and you can edit screenshot to highlight specific issues. Save your changes and log the bug directly using integrations like Jira, Slack, or 120+ supported integrations. You can also manage your desktop browser tests in Test Manager. Test Manager helps you organize, manage, and track all your testing projects in one place. You can add new projects, fill in the requirements, and create a project. Easily search for projects, monitor tests, and stay updated on progress. Now let's see more feature in the left sidebar. Here, the first is Screenshot feature lets you take an instant snapshot of your current screen. Document your entire testing session with the Record Session feature. Start recording with one click, and you'll see a timer tracking the session duration. When you're done, hit Stop. Now, the Gallery feature stores all the screenshots you take and the recorded session video. Uploading the video may take some time, but you can find it here. You can click the download icon to save any file directly to your local machine. Need to simulate different display settings? The Resolution feature allows you to adjust the screen viewports. This helps you test how your website or web app adapts to different screen sizes. Want to change the zoom level of the UI? The Scaling feature lets you adjust the UI zoom percentage, allowing you to enlarge or shrink elements on the screen without changing the resolution. Perfect for testing responsiveness. Testing for global users with IP geolocation. You can simulate website and mobile experiences from over 185+ countries. This is perfect for verifying localized elements like pricing, languages, and region-specific content. Need to test file uploads within your app? Click on the Files and Media option to seamlessly upload and download media and non-media files like JPEG, PNG, MP4, PDF, CSV, DOC, and more. This helps validate file handling and accessibility within your web app. The Projects section in Lambda Test allows you to organize your test sessions efficiently. You can assign a project name and select a project version for better categorization and tracking. You can configure Chrome extensions from here too, letting you test with your favorite add-ons for a more tailored browser testing experience. Under the Accessibility menu, you'll see the screen reader option that uses NVIDIA for spoken descriptions of your web page, perfect for testing visually impaired user scenarios. In the Settings section, you'll find Idle Timeout to extend sessions up to 60 minutes. Time zones to change the default GMT setting to your preference. Switch the language on the keyboard input for localized testing. Next is Switch feature. Now switch between OS versions, browsers, or screen resolutions without ending your current session. Lastly, the on-screen keyboard feature, which enables a virtual keyboard, so you can perform text input on your device. When you're done, just hit the End Session button to end your ongoing test session.
That's it. With Lambda Test, real-time testing on desktop browsers has never been easier. Explore these features to enhance your testing experience. Happy testing!